Hey everyone, welcome. So if you have just received your Axon body camera, you'll need to pair it properly to start using it. This quick guide, I will tell you how to pair your Axon body camera with the Axon View app or your department's system. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I also have a very short explanation. I'll actually zoom it in so that you can see it a bit better. And I'm going to start explaining. So firstly, guys, of course, step number one is you need to charge the camera. Ensure that it's fully charged before pairing. Turn on the camera by pressing and holding the power button until the status light turns solid green. Enable the pairing mode, double tap the function button or follow your department's specific instructions to activate pairing. The LED light should flash blue, indicating it's pairing at the moment. After that, download the Axon View app. Install the Axon View app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you haven't already. So for example, let us do that. So we can just type in Play Store. Then we go here. Then we search for apps. In the search, we need to find our application. Okay, let's press on Axon. There you go. And basically this is it, guys. Axon Enterprise. And here you can download the application. Now let us move on. Connect via Bluetooth. Open the Axon View app and go to the devices. Select Pair New Device. Your Axon camera should appear in the list. After that, just confirm the pairing. You can then sync with your system. If required, connect to your evidence.com account or your department's system to complete the setup. And that's it. Your Axon body camera should now be paired and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time, guys.